Hi, I'm Dr. Kristopher Goddard, founder of the Osteopathic Center. Thanks for visiting our site. I hope you find it informative and helpful. The advances in science, technology, and medicine over the last 10 years are nothing short of revolutionary. It's staggering. What we thought was impossible years ago has now become ordinary parts of our lives. Staying current and keeping up with these changes is the real challenge of today. Medicine particularly has seen some remarkable advances. With each breakthrough in medicine, things that were covered in medical school are now becoming obsolete, and a lot of practices have fallen behind the innovation curve. At the Osteopathic Center, we've made it our business to stay current with these incredible developments. The dominant trend in medicine now is going definitively towards less invasive, less painful treatments with shorter recovery times, rather than long, painful hospital stays.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
A lot of our patients are professional athletes. Now, professional athletes are always at the forefront of injury treatment. If you want to know what's working in medicine today, just do what they do. For athletes, faster recovery time and regenerating damaged tissue are absolutely crucial to getting back into the game. Current medicine focuses on regenerative therapies that actually restores or regrows tissue. And the goal is to get you back to an even better condition than before the injury, as opposed to just repairing, excising, or mitigating damaged tissue. These treatments offer many advantages. In most cases, there's no need to expose the patient to debilitating and addictive opioids typically used in long, painful recovery cycles. And using non-surgical treatment means reducing or eliminating the chance of dangerous infection. The doctors and practitioners at the Osteopathic Center have made staying on top of these latest advances an absolute priority. It is the very core of our practice to get our patients the best results from the latest in medicine. There are so many options to help you recover more quickly and less painfully, and dramatically improve the quality of your life. Prolotherapy, platelet-rich plasma, stem cell like bone marrow and amniotic treatments. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The best way to find out what's right for you starts with a consultation. But nobody says it better than our clients. They can tell you personally. Our patients, they're the only ones that really matter. Scroll down this page or visit our testimonial page on the website to watch videos and hear from them directly and see how we've improved so many lives. Treatment is an individualized and tailored process, and there are so many great options for you. Call us today or book online for a no-obligation consultation and see what treatments are best suited for you. I really look forward to meeting you.